Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Redis tutorial. So in this database tutorial, we'll go through the CRUD operation. So CRUD operation means C for the create, R for the read, U for the update, and D for the delete. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for the CRUD operation. So this guide explains the CRUD create, read, update, delete operation in the Redis using the Redis CLI with a clear example and perfect for the DBA student and beginners. So I have divided into two parts. So part one, there is installation of Redis. If already installed, then skip this one. So we need a server. We're doing through the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we need a server. So my server is running with the VMware workstation. So this is my server. So I'm going to access this server. So CMD SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. So admin at the rate 123 is the password. Sudo user. So I'm going to update my server first. So whenever you are going to start any service or any work on installation process, before that you should start your update your server and upgrade the packages whatever the install is there. So we have done this one. Clear. So now I'll go through the adding of the GPG key, then repositories. So all the commands I am running on this at once. And in previous video, I have shown you the step-by-step full process and discuss about the installation of the Redis. So you can go through the previous video for the Redis installation and access from the remote server. So verify the installation. So enter to continue. So done. So now check this one. So Redis server version is 8.4.0. So I'm running with the 8.4.0. Now I'm going to start the Redis server and enable the services Redis service. So automatically whenever the system will reboot, the service will start automatically for that. Now check the status. So this is active and running. Okay. So next we are moving for the CRUD operation. So what is the CRUD in Redis? So CRUD. So create, read, update and delete. So meaning of this one, create data, read data, update data and delete data. So Redis store data as a key and value in memory. So next we'll connect with the Redis. So ping pong. So working. So I have not set any password authentication for that. So go through the previous video for the configuration and tuning of the Redis services. If you are connecting with the remote service, then you can run with this one. Okay. So IP address of the your Redis server and the default port number is 6379. And if you're passing through the this one username and password, so you have to pass this. So then you can check. Now here we'll go through the cut operation by the data type. So first I'll go through the string. So I'll create the data. So set now get key name. So username. So this is the key. So Chirag just now we inserted and we have seen the Chirag is changed. Now I'll set the username again. Chirag Mahto. Okay. So now let me check the Chirag. So the set name is changed to Chirag Mahto. So this is done. Now if you want to delete, then you have to write the del and username. So username is the key. I'm going to delete this one. Now check get username. We are getting the nil. We don't have any data. So we have done this one. Now move to the hash. HSET means hash set user one name is equal to Chirag email this one and age is equal to 30. So three integer are done. Now let me get this. So Chirag is coming. Now I want to get all the details I will get. So Chirag Mahato, Chirag email address and age, all the things you will get. So you are getting the like this. So I am going to just set the age is equal to 31. So now get all. So here previously this was 30. Now this is 31. So we are getting the correct. Now delete this. If you want to add delete this. So run this. Then run again. So there is everything is coming, only we have deleted the edge. So now del user colon one, so it will delete everything. So now get all empty array. So we're not getting any array. So this is completed. Now we're moving to the list. So we have to create the list, al push, list push. So done. Now we can read the data. So we're getting both the data. Just now we have inserted and we are getting the data. So next we are going to set 0. So this is set. Now read again. So this is changed. So first one is change. Zeroth position is changed to the learn Redis deeply. So done this one. Now you can delete and you can pop only one task or you can delete all. Okay. So I'll show you the pop first. So pop. Now so this is the pop out and only we have this one. Now you can delete. So del task. So delta. So task is deleted. So this is also done. Now we are moving for the set unique. So skill, MySQL, Postgres, and Redis. So three integer we have added. Now read the skills. So all the three are coming. Now we can delete only one. Okay, we are updating. So we want to add one more. So there is a Mongo. Now members of skill. So MongoDB is added there. Okay. Now delete if you want to remove only one. So removing the MySQL, enter. So here three are coming, previously four are coming. So now del skills. So we have deleted everything. Now you can check. So empty array. So we have deleted all the things. Now sorted test set. So in the leaderboard 100 Chirag, 90 Amit and 80 Rahul. So three added. Now read all read all. So all the details are we are getting all the details. Now move to update. So these are the simple commands. You can go through this jet add and all the commands is near about same. So now I am going to remove Rahul first. After adding, let me get So Chirag is one note, 1G, previously 100, now 110. Okay. Now I'm removing Rahul and check this. So Rahul is removed from there. Now Dell leaderboard. So simple command is there. Now everything is deleted. So empty array. Now check the existing keys. So empty array, we don't have any keys. And step 3, set expiry of TTL. So you can set the expiry of TTL. So we have done. And step 4, flush data. So be careful about that. Whenever you are flushing the data, it will current DB, it will flush, and flush all, it will flush all the databases. So this is done. Now Redis CRUD versus SQL CRUD. So this is insert, Redis is set and HSET. SQL select, get and HGET. And SQL update, set and HSET. And SQL delete, and this one is del. So in real world Redis use cases, so login session, catchy database queries, message query, leaderboard, and OTP storage. So summary of this, you have learned Redis card using the string, hash, list, set, and store set, and Redis CLI command, TTL, key management, and DBA best practices. So now we're moving to the next. So disclaimer, all trademarks logo names belong to their respective owner. This video made only for the educational information purpose under the fair use uh, section 107 and copyrighted 1976. So you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Note, follow the process exactly shown in the video and share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe for the free tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Thank you.